How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop without the internet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from iPhone to laptop without the internet. To transfer data from an iPhone to a laptop without the internet, you can use Bluetooth by pairing both devices, selecting the file on your iPhone, and sending it via Bluetooth file transfer. If you're using a Mac, AirDrop is an easy option. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Select the file and AirDrop it to your Mac. A USB flash drive with a Lightning connector lets you move files using the Files app. Simply transfer the files to the drive, then plug it into your laptop. A USB cable with iTunes also works. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes, go to File Sharing, and save the files to your PC. Third-party apps like ShareIt and Xender create a local hotspot for wireless transfer. Install the app on both devices. Connect your PC to the hotspot and transfer files easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.